What if I tell you that the world as you know it is just a lie? Are there any proofs that the planet we live on is round? Or is it just a story to cover the real truth? Imagine everything you've ever been taught about the world is a lie. What if I told you that the Earth, this vast planet we call home, isn't a spinning globe hurtling through space, but something far different? What if, hidden in plain sight, the truth has been covered up by a powerful few, manipulating what we see, hear, and believe? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll question everything you thought you knew. For centuries, the notion of a round Earth has been accepted as an undeniable fact, woven into the very fabric of our education and understanding of the universe. But beneath the surface of this seemingly indisputable truth lies a movement that challenges the very foundation of modern science, the Flat Earth theory. The origins of the Flat Earth belief. The belief that the Earth is flat is not a modern invention. It traces its roots back to ancient civilizations, where observations of the horizon and celestial bodies led early thinkers to conclude that the world was a flat plane, covered by a dome-like sky. But with the advent of the Renaissance and the rise of empirical science, the idea of a spherical Earth took hold, relegating the flat Earth concept to the fringes of thought, until now. In recent years, the Flat Earth theory has experienced a resurgence, fueled by the internet and social media, where communities of like-minded individuals gather to share their skepticism of mainstream science. To them, the globe model is not just incorrect, but a deliberate deception, orchestrated by a shadowy elite to keep humanity in the dark. The arguments for a flat Earth. Flat earthers argue that the evidence for a spherical Earth is flawed or even fabricated. One of their primary claims is based on visual perception. When we look out over vast distances, such as the ocean, the horizon appears perfectly flat. If the Earth were truly a globe, they argue, we would see a noticeable curve. They also question the validity of satellite images and space exploration, claiming that these are elaborate hoaxes, produced with the intent to deceive. According to this theory, NASA and other space agencies are part of a global conspiracy to maintain the illusion of a round Earth. They point to inconsistencies in photos, such as the absence of stars in space images, or the allegedly unnatural movement of astronauts on the moon, as proof that we are being lied to. Another argument hinges on physics. Flat earthers claim that if the Earth were spinning at such a high speed, over 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, humans would be flung off the surface, or at the very least, experience severe disorientation. The fact that we do not feel this movement, they argue, is further evidence that the Earth is stationary and flat. The dome and the edge, what lies beyond? Central to the flat Earth model is the idea of a dome or firmament covering the Earth, much like the ancient cosmology suggested. This dome is believed to house the sun, moon, and stars, all of which rotate above the flat Earth in a circular pattern. But what lies beyond this dome? What exists at the edges of the Earth? Flat earthers propose that Antarctica is not a continent at the bottom of the globe, but rather an ice wall encircling the perimeter of the Earth, preventing anything, or anyone, from falling off. This ice barrier, they claim, is heavily guarded, with military forces from multiple nations ensuring that no one ventures too close to the edge. But why would such a conspiracy be maintained? The answer, according to flat earthers, lies in control. By perpetuating the lie of a globe Earth, the elites maintain power over the masses, limiting our understanding of the true nature of our world and our place within it. The skepticism and the science. Critics of the flat Earth theory often dismiss it as pseudoscience, pointing to centuries of astronomical observations, gravity, and the mechanics of orbits as irrefutable evidence that the Earth is a sphere. They argue that the theory relies on cherry-picked data and misunderstandings of basic physics. However, the persistence of the flat Earth belief speaks to a deeper issue: a growing mistrust in institutions, science, and authority. For many, embracing the flat Earth theory is not just about questioning the shape of the Earth, but about rejecting the narratives that have been imposed upon them by those in power. The flat Earth theory challenges us to think critically about the information we receive and to question the motives behind the knowledge we are given. Whether you believe in a flat Earth or a round one, the discussion itself highlights the importance of skepticism and independent thought. But before you dismiss the flat Earth theory outright, consider this. In a world where misinformation and disinformation are rampant, how do we distinguish between truth and lies? How much of what we know is based on trust in sources that may not always have our best interests at heart? If this video made you think, even for a moment, about the world in a different way, we've done our job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that challenges the status quo and invites you to see the world through a new lens. We appreciate your support and look forward to exploring more mysteries together. Stay curious, stay critical, and remember, sometimes, the truth is stranger than fiction. Thank you for watching.